modern people, and welcome to another video series of the Habanero Architecture YouTube channel. This is a Habanero Architecture Production with the goal to show you guys what we do and who we are. In this video series, we aim to illustrate topics such as modernism, sustainability, resources, recommendations, and many other helpful topics. Today, we are going to be tackling the topic of the 5 traditional architectural service phases. And traditionally speaking, in the architecture industry, many architects have adopted the recommended national standards that follow 5 phases of design. And these are schematic design, design development, construction documents, bidding and negotiation phase, and then construction administration. So I want to talk to you a little bit, not an extensive way, just get you a really good idea to understand what these phases entail. Let's begin with the schematic design phase. So the schematic design phase is the big idea. It's the owner and the architect get together and they talk about possibilities, talk about observations based on data collected, and they put it together. And in a very general way, in a big stroke, we start looking at a series of options that are brought to the table. The architect utilizes various methods to represent these ideas, and they could be sketches, they could be stickies, they could be little physical models, they could be renderings, something that gives you a really good idea, a quick idea, that is to visualize how the project is going to look. So the aim of the phase is to uncover the essence of the design. Then the second phase of design, the design development, that is, just like the name is stated, we continue to edit this, the general strokes, but we are crunching down a little bit the design aspect to make it look more, to make the project more real. So the idea is to continue editing the spaces and the materials and the systems so that we get a good idea of how these systems are going to interact with each other. We're going to balance the budget against the design and compare it. So we're going to have a reality check in this phase. The main idea or goal of this phase is to define the scope of work, that is the full scope of work, before finalizing the construction documents, which is the third design phase. So the construction documents, that's the biggie. The construction documents, the main objective of it is to provide a set of drawings, so and also a book that is called, referred to the project manual. Sometimes it's called the spec book because it includes the specs, and what it is just a narrative and the specifications of the materials and products that are going to be used in your project. So this is the most labor intensive for an architect. He or she needs to make everything work together and tie the nuts and bolts before it goes out. It goes out for bidding. So that's our fourth phase. The bidding and negotiation, although it can occur in schematic design or design development or even in construction documents, usually it occurs as a fourth phase, because if you think about it, the more information you get on the project, the better the pricing is going to be, because you're going to have more information. So usually the project, so that the bidders can look at the project specifications and put a price tag in your project. During this phase, the architect is responsible to answer questions and help the owner to fill out contracts and anything in between that needs some procurement. The final phase, a very, very important phase. I cannot emphasize how important it is for the architect to do CA, or construction administration. During this phase, the architect preserves the quality of the design, meaning he observes what is being built and answers questions to the contractor as they come along to seek clarification, and ensures that the materials, products, and systems that were specified in our drawings are gonna be put into the project. So there you go. That's in a nutshell, kind of a description of the 5 phases. Now, it's never too early to start planning for your project. We offer comprehensive design packages with the aim to help the client to uncover possibilities and opportunities. So please contact us. We will be very glad to help you. Also, make sure to like us, follow us, or leave us a comment. We'll be very glad to hear from you. So let's do it.